Hey everyone, welcome to our official YouTube channel TechPie. I'm Darshan Magdoum, currently working as a Copilot Studio developer with hands-on expertise in a variety of modern technologies, including Azure AI, Power Automate, and React.js. With a strong passion for teaching and knowledge sharing, I've successfully trained over 1,000 plus engineering students across different technical stacks. In addition to academic training, I also serve as a corporate trainer for Copilot Studio, helping professionals and teams harness the power of AI and automation through customized workshops and sessions. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to pass variables between two different agents in Copilot Studio. We'll use a flight booking agent and a flight status tracker agent as an example. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to set global variables in one agent and reuse them in another so your user experience feels seamless. Note, we must create agents in Gen AI mode, not Classic one. I will show step by step, so let's begin. Step 1, flight booking agent. Let's start with our flight booking agent. So this topic will handle all phrases when the user wants to book a flight. Based on these phrases, this topic will be triggered. Here we ask the user for 4 details: their name, the from city, the to city, and their travel date. We save these into variables like global.name, global.fromcity, global.toCity, and global.travel date. Here's the important part. At the end, we also map global.name into another variable called global.customerName. Why do we do this? Because global variables are available across agents. By setting global.customerName, we ensure that this value can be reused later, even in a different agent. Once we create the topic, don't forget to save and publish the agent. Now go to the Agents tab and connect or create a new agent. For this video, I have already connected the other agent. Here we go. Now let's switch to our flight status tracker agent. You can create a topic that will handle all phrases when the user wants to view the status of flights. Based on these phrases, this topic will be triggered. This agent is designed to answer questions like check flight status, is my flight on time, when does my flight leave? Instead of asking the user for their name again, we directly reuse the variable global.customerName that we already set in the flight booking agent. So the response looks something like this. Here is the status of your booked flight. Flight name, SpiceJet, departure, time 8 a.m. Thank you, global.customerName. As you can see, it personalizes the response without asking the same questions again. So how does this work behind the scenes? When a variable is stored in the global namespace, it becomes available across all agents in the same conversation. When the conversation switches from the booking agent to the status tracker agent, those global values are still available. This avoids duplicate questions, keeps the experience smooth, and makes the agents feel connected. Think of it like a shared memory between agents. Once you set it, every agent can read it. To quickly recap, in your parent agent, capture user input and store it as global variables. Optionally map values to more user-friendly names like global.customerName. In your second agent, just reuse those global variables without reprompting the user. And that's it. You've now linked 2 agents together using shared variables. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Copilot Studio tutorial here on TechPie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.